Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this 2020 Volvo XC90 T8 Inscription. The T8 means this is the fast one, except for the Polestar versions. But this is called the twin engine all-wheel drive because it is both a gasoline powered super and turbocharged inline 4 as well as an electric motor system, and I'll go into depth a little bit more about that when I read the window sticker. There's your fuel door on that rear fender, the passenger side rear fender, and your charging port here on the driver's side. Very gorgeous spec on this example. I think this is the original. Yeah, original sticker price of $81,955. Thunder gray metallic, nice. So, that one's a little hard to read. Put that there. Here we go. Thunder gray metallic. 2-liter super and turbocharged motor. Combined output of 400 horsepower, 472 pound-feet of torque. Pretty impressive. The gas motor is 313 horsepower. Electric motor is 87 horsepower. And you can drive it in pure electric mode. So I can actually hit drive mode. Let's go into pure. If you want to see a backup camera, it's one of the best quality out there. So this is full electric driving. Never mind. Gas motor will chime in if you request full power. It was weird because the XC90, it was like, yeah, all electric, even if you floored it. This one's not like that. And you have power. That's what we want. I do love the headliner. It is a suede material. It's a big shade, jeez. There we go. Whew, it's a rocket ship. Well, obviously not designed to be a competitor to the Durango SRT Hellcat. You know, those those kind of SUVs are a bit faster. It's nice that for this price point, you get this hybrid system which gives you more power, and it's a good amount of power. So, the way the motor itself, the gasoline motor works, under 4,000 RPM, it's all supercharger. Above 4,000 or at 4,000 RPM, it swaps, and the turbo takes over. Means it's a minute lag at 4,000 RPM, but then it picks right back up. And in this T8, or the ones with the hybrid system, you don't notice it because the hybrid system acts as like a torque fill. So you really don't notice it. This thing is awesome. Beautiful SUV. Definitely one of my favorites I've reviewed. I've been wanting to drive a T8 for a while because I knew about the huge power upgrades. You know, you're adding almost 100 horsepower, and it's an electric horsepower, which means torque is instant. It's awesome. On that note, I want to say thank you to everybody for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next one.